အားလုံးပဲမြင်ကြပါခုကျွန်တော်ဆက်လာတဲ့ခေါ်ရခင်းနေရတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့ကမုံရောင်းမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်မုံရောင်းပြီးတော့ဘာလုပ်ရမလဲဆိုတော့ဒါကတော့စက်နေပါချို့လူတည်ရမှာနော်ညမှာပေါ့အရှိပါဟာဒါကတော့ကျွန်တော်မုံရောင်းပြီးပါတယ်သူကတေးထူရောင်းနေတယ်
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Great. Now open the window. Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Music keeps the mood up. Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful shift. Smile, serve, and everything will be just perfect. They're already on their way.
Hey, give me one shawarma, big one.
Okay ba
Be 150. Why? Yeah.
Mấy bà đâu rồi?
Má liền. Can you make one for free? I'm starving. I'll pay you next
Luna
time.
liền
I swear.
biểu Luna liền biểu Luna liền biểu Luna liền biểu Luna liền biểu 이거 알아 이게 뭔가 소리비 stay over 비야 타는 걸 넣어요 뭐지 나와 보라 말하면 이거
Hey, give me one shawarma, big one. Hello, sir, that will be 150. Why? Yeah, about that I don't have any money at all. Can you make one for free? I'm starving. I'll pay you next time. I swear.
나가로 위야마. 사람 이거라.
Here you go. TH, thanks.
Guarda. Guarda. Quelli là mi
Two shawarma, no bro. Got it, 300.
How down này cái nám liền. Con liêu ra tao ấy. Nó liền vô, nó liền vô. Tiểu suy đi mà.
Two shawarma.
Nó leo quá ở đâu mà.
Slam the window. Unbelievable.
Quá đó.
I want shawarma, please.
That's 150.
Great, thanks. It already smells amazing.
Đi ra ba về. Chui bài gì đi quá. 别让他出来。弟弟别接，莫里啦，我莫里啦，闹的，哎，那我去吧说。
Here's your order.
Perfect. This totally made my evening.
哇比，你要不要去比？去比姐播一下，
One shawarma.
我买卤味啦。
And don't make it too greasy.
啊，看好一碗面没有？
My doctor already
No, no,
thanked me enough. Sure, that will be 150.
不要。拉达，啊来过，拉达这个。
Here you go. MPH.
လက်တော့
So
လက်လာ
warm at least.
ဒီဟာလေလက်တော့လက်လာပြီကွာမရှိရပေါ့စိတ်မလုံးဘူးနော်တို့ကိုမနေဘူး
One shawarma, please, and make it quick. I'm already late because of work.
Long shift.
Yeah, boss kept me overtime again. Before heading home.
Something else?
卖碟
Really? I was ready to pay 150 and you just shut the window?
တော်သေးတာပေါ့ကွာထပ်သွားလို့ငါတို့အိမ်နဲ့အခန်းကဝင်လာရင်ကြွမယ်ဒီအနောက်ကြီးငါမယုံတော်သေးတာပေါ့ရဟွင့်
Hello again. One shawarma, please. Learn easier. Before it? Yes, before. It tasted warm. You forgot to finish my order.
အဲ့လိုမျက်နှာတစ်ခုလောက်ကြည့်နော်
It's alright.
ဒီကောင်တော့ဆိုးနေပြီမျက်နှာတစ်ခုမျက်နှာစိတ်ကူရောမျက်နှာကစီစီကူရပါလားမသိဘူးတော်ဆိုးနေပြီဒီစီရောဗီဒီယိုလေးခဏကောင်းနေတာဘောဗီဒီယိုအဲ့ဘယ်တော့မှနေဘူးနားနေကြောင်ငါလုံးမရုံးချောက်ကြီးဒီမကြီးရောဒီကိစ္စတော့ငါစိတ်ပါယူတယ် အနိုင်ရခဏနေဟာလမ်းလာရခွလာ
Haven't eaten since lunch.
$150.
You just closed it in my face. I've been studying all day.
အနောက်ကလာတာမသိဘူးမလားဒီလုံးရတယ်ကွာနားရရ
That will be 200.